Okay, it's time for board math, everybody. We do this all together. Have your neighbors been complaining of the noise? They should be. Let's get started.
All together, loud and proud. Here we go. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Read with me, please. What number is it? 41. How do you write a 41? A 4 for the 10, a 1 for the 1, 41. What number comes next? 42, 43, 44. How do you write a 44? A 4 for the 10, a 4 for the 1s, 44. 30, 35, 40. How do you write a 40? A 4 for the 10s, a 0 for the 1s, 40. Remember, this is counting by fives. That's actually a first grade goal, guys. Great job. How many do you see? Okay, they're all over the place, so we got to try to find a nice way to get across to count them all, okay? So try to stay focused. Here we go. Starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How do we write a 16? A 1 for the 10, a 6 for the 1s, 16. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Do we have two numbers to start? Well, we got 11 over here, but this is dots. Let's find out how many. They're nice in a straight line, easy for us to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How do we write an 11? 1 for the 10, 1 for the 1, 11. So my first question always is, are they equal or the same? Yes, they are. 11 equals 11. Number sentences. 3 plus 2 equals. Remember, we got to see that plus. It tells us to put them together. Quick mental math. Fingers or drawing. Start with your 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus means more. How many more? 2. 1, 2. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Three plus 3 equals, quick mental math, fingers, drawing. Start with our 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus means more. How many more? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many all together now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Three plus 4 equals, quick mental math, fingers, drawing. Start with our 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus, how many more? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. How many in the 10 frames? We got our two 10 frames here. Top one's still not full, bottom one's empty. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the top, in the 10 frames. How many more to make 20? Remember, 20 is 2 10s, so they all have to be filled to make 20. So let's fill it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How do we write a 12? 1 for the 10, 2 for the 1s, 12. What shape is it? There's our drawing. Okay, here's one. Maybe if you turn it over this way and you put a sphere on top, it might look like an ice cream cone. This is a cone. Okay, how do we know this is a cone? Well, it has one of these. It has a circle face. And it comes to a point. Okay? Then what can it do? Well, with that circle face, it can slide. If we turn it on its side, it can roll. But because it has that circle face and a point, it cannot and will not, no stack. Okay? Great job, you guys. What shapes do you see? Okay, let's get this little girl out here on the porch again. Let's take a look. We've seen her rectangle steps. We've seen the square window. We've seen the rectangles underneath the porch. We looked really close inside that 4 for a triangle. We saw these square windows over here, but if you put them both together, they made a rectangle. Well, look at the side of the house here. What's the siding? Those are more rectangles. 2 long sides, 2 short sides. There's a lot of rectangles in this picture if you look, boys and girls. They're almost everywhere. Okay, word problem. We're going to read it through 2 times. Second time, we're going to get that important information and find the answer. Here we go. Troy has 5 dimes. Mia gives Troy 5 more dimes. Mia is very nice. How many dimes does Troy have now? Go ahead and do your mental math. Good job. Now let's go back though and check. Let's get that information and see what our work is. Troy has 5 dimes. What's important is Troy has 5 dimes. Mia gives Troy 5 more dimes. Mia gives Troy 5 more dimes. The whole sentence actually is great information. Okay? Mia is very nice. Mia, you are a very nice girl, okay? Keep doing that. It's not going to help us in our word problem right now, though. You're going to help us. Here we go. How many dimes does Troy have now? So we want to know how many dimes does Troy have now? Not at the beginning, but now that Mia's given him some. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. So we start off with Troy. Troy has 5 dimes. So here's Troy, and he's got his 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mia gives Troy 5 more dimes. So do we know how many dimes Mia has? No. But we know that she gives Troy 5 more. So let's give Troy 5 more of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mia is very nice. Please, Mia, don't stop being so nice. You're an amazing young lady. How many dimes does Troy have now? So we've got them all here. We just got to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 dimes. Does that make sense? It should. If it doesn't, you got to rework it.
Great job, you guys. Let's turn the volume down just a little bit, though. That actually hurt my ears. I could hear you guys all the way over here. Great job, everyone.